Day 46. Aoife's Pizza. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of whole grain mustard, 1 teaspoon of honey, 1½ tablespoons of balsamic vinegar, 1 clove of garlic, peeled and finely chopped, a pinch of sugar, 50 millilitres of lukewarm water, half a sachet of dried baker's yeast, half a teaspoon of salt, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, half a tablespoon of olive oil, 100 grams of plain flour, 50 grams of whole wheat flour. For the topping, 200 grams can of chopped tomatoes, 30 grams of tomato puree, 100 grams of mushrooms, 1 red pepper, de-seeded and sliced, 1 small red onion, 100 grams of sweet corn, 80 grams mozzarella cheese, 100 grams of butterhead lettuce, 2 tomatoes. Add the wholemeal flour, plain flour, sugar, salt and yeast together in a bowl and mix together. Make a well in the centre. Add 1 teaspoon of olive oil into water. Pour 1/3 of the water into the well and mix the flour mixture by hand. Add the remainder of the oil-water mix in bit by bit and continue to mix by hand until you have a doughy ball. Dust the countertop with some flour before taking the mixture from the bowl and placing on the countertop. Knead together until you get a ball of dough that is soft. This should take a few minutes. This dough will need to rise for 15 to 20 minutes. Cover with cling film or a clean damp cloth and place in the hot press or other warm place. While the dough is resting, preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius or gas mark 6. In a bowl, mix the tin of tomatoes and the tomato puree. Once the dough is ready, dust your worktop with flour and roll out into a circular shape with a rolling pin. Catch the rolled out dough on your rolling pin and unroll onto the baking tray lined with the baking paper. Spread the tomato mix onto the pizza base. Add the sliced mushrooms, peppers, red onion and sweet corn to the pizza and then add the grated mozzarella cheese on top. Cook in the oven for 25 minutes. Mix the chopped lettuce and tomatoes together to make the side salad. Place olive oil, balsamic vinegar, whole grain mustard, honey and garlic into a jar and shake together. The vinaigrette recipe makes 6 adult servings. Remove the pizza from the oven. Sprinkle the salad with 4 tablespoons of vinaigrette and toss. This recipe makes 4 adult portions.